fork is expected to launch on August 4th. This will move Ethereum from proof-of-work protocol to proof-of-stake protocol. The protocol update includes 5 improvement proposals, EIPs, most notably EIP 1559 and EIP 3554, that aim to counter various indifferences. Which indifferences, you may ask? I will tell you. EIP 1559 introduces new fee structure to make Ethereum less inflationary. This protocol change is highly controversial because it aims to burn part of the fees, which means that decreasing the miners' revenue. But for those who are, let's say, trying to build their NFT, Ethereum fees will be reduced and your NFT can actually be affordable to you to sell on Ethereum's network. The second notable one is EIP 3554 delays Ethereum's difficulty bomb to December 1st. This mechanism will incrementally increase the difficulty of mining on Ethereum network, effectively freezing proof of work in preparation for Ethereum's move to proof of stake. Thanks for watching. This is very exciting news.